This is your collective reading for today. And I just want you to know that I never reach out to you first in any shape or form. So if ever someone message you, that is not me. I don't message anyone first. I don't follow anyone first. Okay, so let's channel the energy for November 5 until November 12. We have the Hangman. Justice card. Okay. So I'm picking here that there is someone, like specifically, hindi siya maka-move forward sa connection na to. And feeling ko, paulit-ulit siya sa profile mo. Someone here is trying to check on you. Like, naniniwala siya na yung connection yung dalawa ay divinely guided. So, meaning it is given by the universe and you are destined to meet this person. Alam niya yon, nararamdaman niya sa sarili niya na somehow, your person, I'm picking here, your person wanted to know you better. Ang nakikita ko rin dito, gusto niya ipaglaban yung connection na to. Pero, hindi niya alam paano siya magsisimula. Kasi ngayon lang siya nakakita ng isang kagaya mo. You are the alchemist here, magician card here. So, what you did to this person is, na-love at first sight talaga siya sa'yo. Maybe it's because of your eyes, the way you talk, your smile. There is something about you that this person couldn't forget. And you are someone na nagbibigay ng assurance sa kanya na kailangan niya pang ipagpatuloy yung buhay niya. Feeling ko, you saved someone's life, you didn't know that. And sa tingin ko, nanggaling siya sa isang malungkot na buhay niya. Pwedeng, it was a chapter na talagang nasira siya or nakasira ng future niya. And then there is you who meant to awaken this person from that. You are someone na inalis siya sa ganong situation and hindi siya makapaniwala because your love is given by the universe and yun yung chine-cherish niya ngayon. That's why this person is afraid of losing you. May times din na hindi niya alam paano